Introducing the Oxford Elara from Jones Healthcare, one of the most unique and functional overhead lift motors available today. With an array of features encompassing the very latest technology, the Elara will help you achieve a safer, more productive lifting environment for all. Available in two core models, the Elara is capable of lifting up to 284 kilograms or nearly 45 stone. Both models have the option of power traverse, making light work of point-to-point transfers. An extensive choice of track components and fixtures cater for a variety of installations, from the most basic installs to full or multi-room coverage. A variety of track profiles include a discrete flush mount option, ensuring minimal room intrusion and maximum lifting range. Perhaps Elara's most notable feature is the uniquely designed illuminating end panels. Energy-efficient LEDs help conserve battery life, and their intensity can be customized to match your individual needs. This unmistakable feature is further complemented by laser-etched branding at either end. Convenience is at the heart of Elara's design. The quick-release motor ensures attachment and removal take just a few seconds, and the outer covers are removed via 4 twist-and-release spring clips. This functionality contributes to quicker and easier maintenance and inspection routines. Like other Oxford patient lifts, the Elara captures a wealth of service-related data via the onboard smart monitor software. Total lift cycles, work completed by the motor, and attempted overloads are all accessible via the LCD display, with additional reporting available through PC connectivity. A service interval counter prompts the user to schedule essential maintenance in accordance with local regulations. An extensive lifting range ensures transfers onto high nursing beds and other surfaces are completed with ease, with off-the-floor pickups and use of swimming pools equally within its capability. A host of safety features ensure the Elara is truly focused on patient welfare. An emergency stop and lower facility is activated via the red pull cord, and an automatic safety brake detects slack tape situations during lowering, temporarily disabling the lower function. Onboard redundant controls allow operation independently of the handset in the event of an emergency. During its development, the Elara has undergone rigorous design and testing, often exceeding the required global standards to give you ultimate confidence in quality and performance. The Elara from Oxford, exceeding expectations.